and heat advisories will remain in effect. There is a slight chance for thunderstorms. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern St. Clair County in southwestern Illinois, northeastern Randolph County in southwestern Illinois, southwestern Washington County until 5 p.m. At 4:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sparta, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sparta, Steelville, New Athens, Marissa, Percy, Coulterville, Tilden, Baldwin, Eden, Blair, Lensburg, Fayetteville, Houston, and Welch. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Randolph, St. Clair, and Washington.